Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today we're going to look at this engine here a little bit, give you my conundrum I'm in, and trying to figure out what I'm going to do here. We almost have the 289 stripped down just to the block, so I'm going to take off this back plate, oil pan in the front there, and then I want to get this rebuilt. But now as I'm starting to do more and more research, I'm like, I don't know if I should just get a crate motor because it might be cheaper option, a cheaper route. I would like to keep the original engine though. I like having the 289. You know, it's what came in the car, it's stock. I haven't actually looked at the numbers on this. I'm not exactly sure. I've kind of looked around the block and haven't seen where the VIN is to see if we can match it to the car. But either way, this isn't like a, you know, specialty restoration to the factory settings or anything. And cost is starting to come into this, but also customizability, which is why I'm kind of leaning against doing a crate motor. But it's going to get expensive. If we can salvage this, my dad believes this was actually honed out or overboard or whatever to 0.3 already. So I don't know how much more life the engine has on it, which makes me a little nervous. But I would like to put EFI with the Pro Flow, the Edelbrock 4 version of EFI system with the manifold. So I'm trying to price out and figure out, should I get the heads that I want to get to the horsepower that I want and the characteristics of the engine, and then put the Pro Flow on top, and then redo the gas tank and build out the system the way I want it built out? Or should I try to go the route of getting a crate engine, kind of a bare bones one, and building on top of that? I'm not really sure at this point what's going to be the cost difference, so I'm going to have to sit down and do a little math and see how that's going to go here. So anyways, this is kind of the setup. This is the system. The other piece too is we're going to run air conditioning because we're in Dallas, Texas. This is an XL Fairlane, so it had air conditioning originally. We're going to put air conditioning back in it. Again, if I do a crate motor, depending how dressed up you get it, I don't know. I got to pick everything out that I want to. So I'm trying to figure out the customizability, the cost, and everything else. If you have any comments, ideas, I'd love to hear in the comments below. But let's get to tearing this down here. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, until next time.